First Lady Margaret Kenyatta na Rachel Ruto nio matogoririe magana ma atumia kiaro-ini gia Kasarani igogoni-ini ria gukungwira miaka 10 ya gikundi kia Joyful Women kiria kioikaine ta Joiwo kiria kiretire gukorwo na amemba makiria ya 200,000 na kigina kia makiria ma bilioni 3.5. First Lady ni atogoririe mutumia wa Deputy President akigana mubango wa Joiwo na kuga ni kubataire mibango igitaino ya ikundi cia atumia niguo kuhota kwiyaka kuona atumia ingi ni mateithikire muno Joiwo.
I applaud Joiwo for the hope and inspiration, the motivation and confidence it has given to women through its financing, capacity building, skills training and mentorship programs.
Mushamanio uyo ogwikinyitio ni atongoria aingi, umwe wao ari munini wa President William Ruto na mutumia wa munini wa President wa bururi wa Nigeria Oludolapo Osinbajo. Rachel Ruto ni agathiririe amemba a gikundi giki kia atumia na anyiti itemi aria mahotithitio Joiwo gukorwo na uhotani wa gikiro kia iguru, akiganira makinya maria Joiwo ikinyukitie miaka iyo 10.
These women have been able to educate their children, even with the money they have gotten through table banking. They have had capacity building. Today, we have over 200,000 women that are doing table banking in our nation.
Au yete thafari no ndikoritwo ihuthu no kuona uria atumia meyukiririe na kuhota kurera family ciao ni undu wa gukenerera. Akiuga aingi a atumia marutitwo ni Joiwo ukiaini fiu na riu miturire yao icenjetie kaimana.
These women did not know what it meant to go to any commercial bank. Many of them had not even known what it means to hold 1,000 Kenya shillings that belong to them. Many other times, the 1,000 shillings they held in their hands was either given to them to go buy something or to pay school fees for their children. In other words, it was not theirs. They were given by somebody else. But today, seated here, are millionaires of our Republic of Kenya.
Gikundi kia Joiwo gikoretwo ikirehe hamwe atumia na ikundi na kumateithia kwiyaka na njira ya ngumbato na kuoya ngombo. Gukinyeria riu gikundi giki kina makiria ya grupu 6,000. Atongoria agi aria megwikinyitie ni Minister wa Andu Ethĩ Margaret Kobia na Mũmbunge wa Nairobi Esther Passaris. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Muthoni wa Mukiri.